guys, so today's video is going to be a grandma styles me kind of video, but we're going to use her clothes instead of using my clothes. I saw Joan Day do this with her brother, but I thought it'd be so much funner to do it with my grandma because we have such a big generation gap and some of our clothes are actually coming full circle back into fashion. As you can see, we have totally different styles. I'm wearing quite dark clothes and you wear quite light clothes. When were you born?
28.
1928. We will not say your age, but we can figure it out. As you can see, we have quite a different style, completely different generation. My grand's clothes are from quite back in the day as well. She keeps all her clothes. She doesn't really go out and buy new clothes like me. My bad spending habit. Last night I told her to choose out some of her favourite outfits that she's worn and some outfits that she would like to see me in, and she ended up picking out about 11 outfits for us to try today, so we've got a lot of changing to do. I also have Jessica here to rate my outfits and my grandma will rate my outfits as well. We have a lot of clothes to try on, so we should probably get started. Ooh! This is Singapore dress. This is the Singapore dress, is it not?
I'm amazed at seeing that somehow.
So is that a two-piece? Yes!
Oh, you made it look
Look.
like a dress.
Well, I would give that 10 out of 10 because I like that.
Yeah.
I quite like it.
What do you think, Jess?
I'd give it a 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10 because it's not fitted to my body, I guess.
I think if it was fitted.
Yeah. I would give it a 9 out of 10 as well.
The green trousers. They're like the ones you've been trying to look for.
I know, but what would you rate this one?
Well, 9 out of 10?
9 out of 10?
I think I'd give it a 9.
9.
A 9?
The trousers could be a little longer on you, but
Yeah.
if you were going to wear them out.
I've got ankle grazers right now. A 7.
A
7? I mean, would you wear that out?
I'd wear the trousers,
But not the top?
not the top.
Oh.
Oh!
What a bow. The square neck, that's coming back into.
You don't often wear that colour.
No, I don't.
Would you wear that?
Yeah. I'm gonna go 9 out of 10 for this. What do you think?
10?
10?
10?
I'll go 9.5.
9.5? Ooh! Simon Cowell.
Ooh!
I feel like a sophisticated woman. It's a very grand thing. When I think of grand, I think of long skirts.
Very smart for the occasion.
Okay, 9 out of 10 for me.
10?
8.
8. Ooh.
Nice.
The best for sports.
I don't think you'd want to be doing
No
sports.
sports
in that.
mode.
No, no.
Get it on. Ooh! She's red.
Oh my, I remember wearing that. These were the days.
Like, this is a great
Yes, that's nice.
10 out of 10 for me. I absolutely love it.
But
I would wear
remember, we
this.
have to take into consideration you did style it with the hat.
With the hat, 9.5.
10 again, because I like that.
I'll go 10, but 9 without that.
9 with the hat. Bored.
I wouldn't have called that a friend circle cord, but
Oh, they're not brown. That's what's good about a cord. It's technically 2 pieces of clothing that you could wear with anything.
I think I actually wore that to a wedding at one time, if I remember
Wedding?
correctly. Because I like all these things, I'll give it a 10 again.
Giving it a 10 again. I quite like them. I'll give this maybe a 9 out of 10 because it fits so well.
Yes?
I'll give it a 9.
A 9.
Oh, she's right out Mamma Mia.
I know. This is great. These feel amazing. But this is actually a really long blouse. It's like down here. But then you're like hiding these trousers. I think the trousers need to be on show. Just feel the trousers. Don't think you can see
Oh,
the
they're like velvet.
Oh, they're lovely. They are. Well, 10 out of 10 for your matching your
Thanks.
outfits.
I think 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. I would say 10 out of 10 because these are amazing.
Oh, Taco!
Tango.
You just need a pair of castanets.
Could pull them
Up.
pull it up a wee bit. That's more respectable.
That's more respectable.
Ah, nice.
Come. Super duper.
Weird just now, isn't it?
I don't know. It's very Spanish.
I'll give it a 9.
I give it 10. Because I like that dress.
I'll give it a 9 as well. Oh,
Ooh!
Lovely.
I like
Another
a little
cord.
mini blazer. There's a wee snack in your
a
pocket.
wee snack. The room to hide snacks in
I
place.
must admit, the person who bought all these had very good taste.
She does.
Oh yes.
I absolutely love her taste.
Oh, Tartan shorts.
Tartan shorts. And her little summer look.
Lovely.
Nice high waist.
I know, everything's so high waist.
Well, that was the style.
I'll give it a 9 out of 10.
10.
I'll give it a 9. I'll give it a 9. They're maybe not my favourite collective colours, but they are very fun.
Oh. She's
It's
nice.
just a long dress. It's unusual, definitely unusual. She also has really hard boobs. I give this an 8 maybe. It needs some alterations, but it's quite nice.
A 9.
A 9. Grams.
10.
10.
She just
Go
gives
10
10 for
all.
everywhere.
It's my taste.
It's my
Everything's
clothes,
taste.
therefore it's a 10.
Is that everything?
That's everything, unless
Lovely,
there's something
Thank
else.
you very much. Well done.
Thank you. So, that is all 11 outfits. I really like my grand's fashion. I actually do have some of her blouses and some of her skirts that I do wear anyway because I like a vintage look. I think it's quite cool. She has some cool stuff from like all over the world. She's travelled, she's found stuff from Singapore, Africa, Turkey, Glasgow. Also from Glasgow. But I think she's very bold and brave with her outfits. You wouldn't catch me maybe wear this on the regular, but she totally would. Yeah, so comment down below which outfit was your favourite. Thank you to the wonderful Jessica Anderson for being in all my videos because I don't think we're ever actually apart. Please remember to like the video, subscribe to my channel and share it with
And
a
put on the
friend.
notification bell.
Oh wow, she knows. Thanks for watching, bye!